What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out. In this episode, I'm at Bbox by Factory for a live music show. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find what I see. Make people live, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
So we're going on the party bus now. I'll get from the deck to Bbox, the new venue. Now the party can really start. So we just got off the party bus. We're walking over to Bbox. We're walking through Factory right now. So basically you walk through the artist space, and then you'll get to the end of that is some outdoor basketball courts we just walked by. And then if you walk to the end of the basketball courts, it's this long hallway here. And you follow it to the end, and I think the front door to the venue is right over here. Just follow the yellow brick road. So when you get to the end of that long hallway, then you'll find it here. Bbox. Hey. There you go. Thank you. It's really cool artwork on the walls, like hip-hop influence and b-boys and stuff. Check this out. More busloads of people.
Shoot the messenger. And we're really proud to introduce Skeleton Good later. Amazing band, y'all. That's true. But you don't lost your mind. Just time to live free. This is you never to find. I guess they never mess with me. I've been here, just watching scoundrels burning leaves. Well, I think I'll go cut off my ears before they start to bleed. Till I woke up this morning, you were gone. Till I woke up this morning, you were gone. And every morning when you look around, you'll be reminded how it's all. know you think you would
Until next time, remember, how you spend your days, the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
My name's Tom.